Have you thought about how to make a balanced keto meal plan that fits your needs? Let us share with you some tips of how to create a sustainable and satisfying keto lifestyle through a good keto meal plan, including key components, meal preparation tips, addressing common challenges, and why it is important to ask the advice of a nutrition specialist. So watch the entire video since you will learn about some crucial factors you need to take into consideration. A keto diet plan will help you make sure you're getting the right amount of macros, fat, protein, and carbohydrates, and ensure you're staying consistent, both of which are necessary to achieve ketosis and promote healthy weight loss. First, let's take a closer look at the essential components of a successful keto meal plan. Picking the right protein sources is key on the keto diet. Incorporating nutrient-dense proteins like grass-fed beef, wild fish, or eggs from pastured chickens can help provide essential amino acids and promote satiety. Protein helps keep muscles strong and supports your metabolism, but do not forget that protein should be moderate, as a very high intake can spike insulin levels and lower ketones. Adding a variety of low-carb veggies, like leafy greens and low-glycemic fruits, is important. They give you important vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Hydration. On a ketogenic diet, staying properly hydrated is essential. To reduce the risk of keto flu symptoms and avoid dehydration, the meal plan promotes the use of electrolyte-rich beverages and water. Meal timing and frequency. The ultimate keto meal plan provides a balanced approach to meal timing. Most people opt for 3 meals a day with no snacking, allowing for sufficient fasting periods to maximize fat burning. Intermittent fasting can also help by making your body burn fat and keeping blood sugar stable. Creating your weekly keto meal plan. Making a personalized keto meal plan is key to reaching your health and weight loss goals. First, think about your dietary needs. Consider your activity level, body type, and any health issues. This helps you find the right mix of keto meal plan, low-carb recipes, and healthy fats for your meals. When planning your meals, choose a variety of low-carb, nutrient-rich foods. This keeps your diet interesting and ensures you get all the vitamins and minerals your body needs. Try different low-carb recipes that include leafy greens, non-starchy veggies, quality proteins, and healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. It's important to balance your macronutrients. Keep carbs low, focus on healthy fats, and make sure you get enough protein. This helps you stay in ketosis, the metabolic state that's central to the ketogenic diet. With some planning and creativity, you can make a keto meal plan that tastes great and keeps you full. Shopping guide for your keto meal plan. Starting a ketogenic diet means you need to shop smart. This guide will show you the best keto-friendly foods to buy. Look for foods that are full of nutrients to help you lose weight and stay healthy. First, get healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts. These foods give you energy and make you feel full. Also, pick low-carb veggies like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. They're full of vitamins and fiber. Choose high-quality proteins like grass-fed meat, wild-caught fish, and free-range poultry. These foods help keep your muscles strong and support your health. Don't forget to add keto-friendly dairy like full-fat cheese, heavy cream, and Greek yogurt. They add creaminess and calcium to your meals. By choosing these keto-friendly foods, you'll make a balanced and tasty keto meal plan. Always check labels to avoid foods with too much sugar or carbs. This way, you'll stay in ketosis and enjoy all the benefits of the ketogenic diet. Managing carbohydrates and hidden sugars. To succeed on the ketogenic diet, you must watch your carb intake. Carbs are key to staying in ketosis, where your body uses fat for energy. By eating fewer carbs and choosing low-carb recipes, you help your weight loss efforts and enjoy the keto lifestyle. It's important to spot hidden sugars in your food. Many packaged items have added sugars, which can throw you out of ketosis. Learn where hidden sugars hide, like in sauces, dressings, and some keto-friendly products. Try new things like zucchini noodles instead of pasta or almond flour instead of regular flour. With a bit of creativity, you can make delicious meals that are low in carbs and help you lose weight on the keto diet. Meal prep strategies for keto success. Keeping up with a keto meal plan can be tough. But with smart meal prep strategies, you can do great. Cooking in bulk with nutrient-dense foods is a big help. It ensures you always have keto-friendly meals ready. Preparing protein-rich dishes and storing low-carb veggies ahead of time is key. A bit of prep work can make a huge difference. It helps you stay on track with your keto diet. Using the right storage methods is also important. Get airtight containers and label them well. This keeps your food fresh and makes it easy to grab when you're in a rush. Learning these meal prep tricks will make your keto journey easier. It's all about finding what works for you. Try different ways to prep and see what fits your life best. With a bit of planning, you can master the keto lifestyle and enjoy its many benefits. Addressing common challenges and solutions. Starting a ketogenic diet can be both thrilling and tough. One big challenge is the keto flu, which includes fatigue, headaches, and discomfort. To feel better, drink plenty of water, replace lost electrolytes, and slowly get used to the diet. Dealing with social events while on a keto diet can also be hard. But with some planning and talking, you can stay true to your diet. Look up keto-friendly foods, bring your own snacks, and say no to non-keto options. Getting stuck in a weight loss plateau is common too. To move past it, check your calorie intake, tweak your diet, and try new exercises. Keep going and make small changes to keep losing weight and improving your health. Tracking progress and adjusting your plan. Starting a keto meal plan is a big step. It's important to track your progress to keep going strong. You should watch your macronutrient intake, check your ketone levels, and see how your weight changes. Keeping an eye on your macronutrient ratios is key. You need the right mix of fats, proteins, and carbs to stay in ketosis. This state helps you lose weight on a keto diet. By logging what you eat, you can spot areas to improve your meal plan. Also, check your ketone levels often. This tells you if your body is in ketosis. Use urine strips, blood tests, or breath analyzers to see how you're doing. This helps you adjust your meal plan if needed. As you move forward, watch your weight closely. Losing weight steadily is a sign of a good keto plan. But if your weight loss slows down, it might be time to try something new. Intermittent fasting could help you get back on track. And although there are many advantages to the ketogenic diet, it is important to consult with a nutrition specialist if you want to follow a keto diet for the long run. Beside the benefits, ketogenic diet carries some risks and potential disadvantages. Keto flu. We have already talked about earlier. Proper hydration and electrolyte supplementation can help manage keto flu symptoms, which are typically transient. Restricted food options. Some people may find it difficult to stick to the diet over the long term due to the severe carbohydrate restrictions. Sustainability. Some people find it difficult to stick to a strict keto diet, particularly when eating out or in social settings. Individual variability. Each person may respond differently to the ketogenic diet. This diet may work well for some people while not being as beneficial for others. The ketogenic diet is not advised for everyone. Everyone's trusted source, people with liver disease or kidney failure, may fall under this category, as may those with type 1 diabetes, which can result in ketoacidosis. Before starting the ketogenic diet, be sure to speak with your healthcare team. Impact on cholesterol. Saturated and trans fats are commonly found in ketogenic diets. In certain people, these can increase LDL, or bad cholesterol, which may raise the risk of cardiovascular disease and cardiovascular events like heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, keto diet is low in grains, legumes, and vegetables, which means you might not be getting enough B vitamins and fiber. As we wrap up our look at creating a balanced keto meal plan, remember the main points we've covered. The ketogenic diet focuses on healthy fats, moderate protein, and low carbs. It's a great way to lose weight and improve your health if done right. The duration of following a beginner keto meal plan may vary for each individual. Some people choose to follow the keto diet long-term for weight management and overall health benefits. Others may use it as a temporary tool to kickstart their weight loss journey. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you have specific health concerns or are uncertain about how long to follow a keto meal plan, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on your unique needs and goals. By learning the basics of the ketogenic diet and adding key elements to your meal plan, you're set for success. Knowing how to shop, prep, and balance your macronutrients is key. It will help you on your path to better health and fitness. Even though you might face challenges, we've given you tips to handle them. From managing carbs and sugars to dealing with keto issues, you're ready. Keep track of your progress and tweak your plan as needed. This will help you reach your ketogenic diet and weight loss goals. Thank you for watching this video presentation, and we would like to kindly ask you to like this video if we did provide you value and useful tips.